All right, guys, motor toys. We are on 8s 135C SMC DV graphenes. We're gonna do a little pull. Probably will not get full throttle, but just need to feel the power curve before Wednesday and how it's gonna react. We're on an 1/8 mile wing. We're gonna leave the onboard GoPro on. I don't think having enough power is gonna be an issue, so let's go find out what it does.
Clear.
Clear?
Clear. Yep, clear. That had to have been 120. Don't start getting on it till you're straight. Clear. Beautiful. Ryan, you just hit 120.
I don't know, dude. I hope the GPS recorded. Am I clear? All right, guys, so that was 105. I was maybe around 60-ish% throttle. 65. I'll pull the data logs and see. We did another pass before this. It was 107, but the GPS is acting up, so we reset that. Guys, I mean, you know, I'm touching the motor. I mean, yeah, it's warm, but it's not, you know, it's not crazy hot. Same thing with the ESC. Cap packs, everything feels good. Wiring, nothing's too hot. So yeah, 107 and then 105. Never did more than 70% throttle. When I would try to do that too quickly, it actually came up in a wheelie wall. The tires were spinning. Yeah, this thing is just a whole nother car on 8s. So we are going to probably try an 1/8 mile pass on Wednesday. Definitely not going to get to full throttle, and I wish the Hoons the best.